placement and model of the staircase. So how the model of the staircase we have to do. So now you can check, now I am starting from the ground level, so you just double click on the ground level, and in that you just go and check it, how the placement of the staircase we have to do. So now just roughly I am showing here, but after that I will show in project also how we should able to make the model of the staircase. Okay, so you have to go here, architecture, because this staircase, ramp, everything, the architecture people only they will design, but the structure people they will do the work and they will utilize for the load cases, everything they will, but the position, the location, everything the architecture people only they will decide. So that's the reason here this architecture menu only, the stairs, ramp, these two menus will be there here. But if you go structure, there will be no stairs like that, because the structure component is totally different and architecture component is totally different. So whenever you are going to place any staircase, you have to go architecture menu and just click stairs. So just click the stairs. After clicking the stairs, now you can see here, first here in properties toolbar you can see there is assembled stairs, monolithic stairs and precast. There are three types of staircase we can see. In assembled also there is a different subtypes will be there, but in monolithic there is only one type and precast also one type. But we can make it duplicate and we can give some other naming also, but as per the default from the Autodesk company they have provided only one type. Okay, and here you can see this is the run. Run means we can create a staircase by using run only. Run means run width. So in that you can find here there is a straight staircase, straight, where the landing and without landing also we can able to draw the straight. And this is the arc. Spiral is nothing but arc staircase, arc shape. It will become as a arc shape. This is also arc radius. One radius, and with the help of radius there will be arc staircase will come. And this is L shape and this is U shape. And with the help of sketch also we can able to create the staircase. So there are four types of staircase we can go and place in a project. So first we will go with the straight, and here we are going to take the assembled. So here just the first type I am taking as assembled, and here we will go with the straight. So just click the straight, and after clicking the straight, here you can see the base level. Here the base level is ground level, because we have selected here ground level, so automatically the base level will become ground level, and the top level is first floor. First floor means the above level, and the total height of the floor is going to show here 4000 mm, means from the ground floor SSL to the first floor SSL. What is the height? 4 meters. And here default it will become directly that to reach from ground floor to first floor the 4000 height. So in that 4000 height, how many staircase we required, how many steps we required, how many threads we required. So automatically here it is going to become 22. So how this 22 has came here? Because the 22 has came because the actual riser height here default it was taken 181.8 mm height, the riser height. This is riser height. Okay, you just see here, this is the riser height, and the actual thread width, thread depth is nothing but thread width is 250 mm. So if we go the riser height 181.8 mm, so then 12 steps will be coming from ground floor to first floor. If you say no sir, I want to change my number of steps here, because number of riser, this is design number of riser, how many it is coming? 22. If you say no sir, I require 24, so if you put 24 directly also here, so what will happen here? This riser height may be vary, you can see. Now it is coming 166.7 mm, because if you increase the steps, automatically the riser height is going to be decreased. But the depth of the thread means the width of the thread will be exactly, it will be there. If you say so no sir, I want to change the width, depth of the thread also, you can able to change the depth of the thread also here. Okay, so here from one floor to the another floor, number of risers and number of threads, means how many risers are coming? 24. So number of threads also it will be 24 only. Okay, so how many steps means nothing but just riser and thread. And if we go here 166.7, because I told you already the minimum riser height and the maximum riser height will be 190 mm is the maximum. So below 190 it is there, so we can able to go like that. Or if it is go with 22, so it is also will be the same. But if you are decreasing the value, so now you can see if you decrease the value, what will happen in your actual riser height is increasing. So it should not be there like that. Means minimum your riser height should be minimum 150, maximum 190 mm should be there. But it is crossing 190 mm. So that's the reason you have to increase the riser count. If you are going 20, 200, but it is not possible. If you go 22, then only it is possible. If you go 21 also, it is also not possible. You can see 90.5, it is more than 90. Some 50 mm also, it is 0.5 mm also, it is coming extra. So you have to go exactly 22. Then it is will become. So it is default when you will make the model in a project. From automation, it is going to take when you will select the base level and top level. Default it will become. So if you want to go default value, you can able to go, or if you say no sir, I want to increase, so you can increase. But decrease you don't do. Because if you go decrease, so what will happen? Your riser height will be increased. So wherever the riser height is increasing, so by technically and for the design, it's not good. It's incorrect. So that's the reason don't go decrease value, you just increase it. It will be helpful for your design. Okay, so right now I am going with the 22 only. Now after making the riser number and floor head, you have to go edit tab. In edit tab also you can able to change some of the things here. So here you can see the maximum riser height here it is taken 190 mm and the minimum thread width he has taken 250. So minimum I told you the thread width is minimum 250, maximum we can go more than that. So that will be, and here the run width I already told 1 meter, it is the default. You can go 1 meter. If you want to place more, you can place, but 1 meter less you should not place anywhere in the project. So like that the riser height, thread depth and run width, you have to make it changes also if you require by making duplicate. You have to make it duplicate with other number, other name, and you have to update the value as per the requirement of the staircase. Okay, so that you have to do. And here some more option is also given here. This is the run type. Okay, 50 mm thread, 13 mm riser. So here the run type is shown here. If you click this one, you can get some of the idea of that. But the thread thickness is 50 mm, means the plastering. Because after pouring the concrete, the 50 mm thickness is the thread thickness, means wherever you are placing the leg by going from below floor to above floor, the thick 50 mm is the thick of the thread, and the riser thickness is 12.5 mm. Here 50 mm, here 12. Default it will be take. If you want to make it change, you can change it, no issue. Okay, but default it is going to, because the riser plastering finishing will be less. So if you are going to put some tiles or some plastering, so you can put it how much the thickness you require, you can put here, that thickness value is going to become. But whenever you will change any values here, you have to make it duplicate, because existing some values is there here. If you are going to change, here you can change. But you can see here 50 mm thread, 50 mm, this is the 50 mm, and 13 mm riser. Here 12.5 is nothing but they have taken 13 mm. You can write 12.5 also, no issue. If you are changing this value, so as per the value you have to make it duplicate and rename the same value, which value you are going to update it in the drawing, in the model. Okay, so that you can do it here. And here we can able to place the material, the thread material, means the top of the steps, and the riser material also you can able to place it. So these are the things you can able to do while placing the staircase. So before placing, you have to update as per your requirement, which size, which thickness, what is the number of riser, number of threads, how many you require, everything you just make it set up and then go with OK. After clicking OK, you will be get the information for this run tab. Then landing. landing information, the landing thickness, landing, wherever the landing is coming, the landing thickness, how much it will become, everything that will be taken as a landing. And here this staircase, where it is we are going to place, it is in interior or exterior, both will be there. Interior means inside the building or exterior means outside the building. So wherever you are going to keep this staircase, that functionality you have to select it here. Then below you can see there is a support. So I stated that day before study also I told you here, because the assembled staircase there will be a no ridge slab will become. So this assembled staircase always it is going to be placed with the help of sticker. This is sticker. So right side, right support sticker and left support, two sticker will become. Okay, and the sticker thickness also will be there here. If you want to change the sticker thickness, you have to click here and you can change the sticker thickness also here if you require. Okay, so everything will be there here and you have to change it. So right side also you can able to change, left side also you can able to change the sticker. Sticker is nothing but the steps sidewise it is going to be placed some supporting tool that we will call a sticker. I will show you after making the model you can able to get the sticker. So this is the value you can able to change for the support. So this all things you have to change before creating the staircase. And one more option is also there, given here, calculation rules, means how we will calculate the staircase. So here you can see 2 riser plus 1 depth is equal to 630, something here the calculation value they have given. If you want to change it, you can able to change the calculation. Here the maximum riser height 190 and minimum thread width is 250. This is a default value they have taken. Based on that you can, if you want to change, you just go use stairs calculator for the slope calculation, then you can change as per your value. So whatever the values you will give here for the calculation, the based on that it will become, and you just put a tick off. So what will happen, this all values will be in lock position, it will be never change again if you are going to work out for the project. So that you can able to check it whether you required or not. But moreover the cases it's not required, for our information purpose only it is going to be showing. Okay, so now everything has been done. Now you have to draw the staircase. Just click on the OK button and then you have to go here. So here one option is the base offset and top offset. So if you are going to make it some height from the floor, so that also you can able to do. And if you are saying no, from the top I want to make it some down, so you can also do. So when you are going to make it any offset from the top, you have to give the minus value, and when you are going to take some base offset, you have to give the some plus value or minus value also you can able to give it, because the base offset both side we can able to do, top offset also both side we can able to make it the model by giving the value. Okay, clear? So now how we will draw the stairs. So first I am taking run type, just click the run type, and whenever you will draw the staircase, don't come from top to bottom, you have to go from bottom to top, means from below to above, like that. So just now how you see near 22 risers, so you have to draw 22. So from start point and you just increase the zoom in, and you can see if you go straight means there is no landing, directly I am placing. You can see here below there is one text is coming, you can see below here 15 risers created, 4 remaining. So how many risers I have discussed here? 22 risers. Now you can see it will become light color, but you can see 22 risers created, 0 remaining. Means total from here to here, if you are going to create the staircase, the total length is coming 5250, and 22 risers and 22 threads are going to be make it here. And this is also from ground level to first floor, it is going to touch the building. So just I am drawing here just for your information. Now you can see one staircase has been done. It is starting from 1 and it is ending up to 22. 22 steps. If you make it count also, you can 1, 2, 3 like that. If you count it, it will become 22 only. Okay, so now it has been drawn, and just after completion just go with OK, tick mark. Now you can see automatically this up symbol will become, means from here it is going to get up. So this staircase has been drawn here. If you want to see this staircase in 3D, you will get some idea on that. Now you can see, because right now I drawn only straight staircase. Now you can see it has been drawn here. There is no landing, and this staircase I have drawn from ground floor to first floor. So exactly from ground floor to first floor, the total height of the floor is 4 meters. So this staircase is also from here to here. When it is going to touch the floor, exactly it will become 4 meters. Okay, so now you can see this staircase. This is assembled staircase. Now I am removing this railing just for your information. I am removing this railing. Now you can see the steps are come. This we will call this path we will call as a thread, and this is the riser. This part is we will call riser. Okay, and here you can see the side, this one which is coming, this one, this we will call as a trigger. This is the trigger. This trigger is giving support. So if you see here, this is the right trigger and this is the left trigger. This side is the left trigger. This is the left trigger, this is the right trigger. And from here it is started. First, second, third, like that. One steps here started and it is going up to top. And the angle of the staircase from here, it is going to start with 30 degrees. So 30 degree minimum is the angle it is going to take from 10 degree to 30 degree, like that. But 30 degree is the maximum angle, the slope angle will be. Okay. So now you can see this is assembled staircase. If you go back side also, this staircase is also going to visible here. You can see that there is no slab, nothing. Only with the support of this trigger and this trigger is going to be placed here. This is trigger and this is trigger. So with the help of this trigger only, this staircase is going to be placed here. But there is no slab, nothing. The ridge slab is not going to be coming. So this is one type of staircase we can able to go directly from one floor to the another floor. This is one type. The another type I will show you once again. If you go a staircase again, same staircase, same riser, everything will be the same. Now again I had just take the straight. Now you can see here total 22. So 11 staircase one side. So you have to go like that. 11 has been created, remaining 11. So just click here. This is one step I have made here from 1 to 11 steps. And other side also you just go and click it like this. So what will happen? Again this side also the 11 will become. And here you can see there is the automatic landing also is going to be coming. But after completion of the landing, if you want to make any edit of the landing, you can make it edit, no issue, you can make it. But default, the sizes, the thickness, everything which we have given the sizes for the landing, that will become. After making this also, if you want to make any changes, movement, with the help of arrow button, you can make it movement also. Okay, because your staircase should be closed and it should be looped within the space which you have given. Because from here to here, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. And between here, this is the gap between the two run width. Okay, and here this is the landing. And this is one side, again landing, again up. So from here to here, it is coming like that. So this arrow direction is also going to be shown, it is coming like that and it is going up. And up to here, it is 24. So because number of riser left side, number of riser right side would be same. And here also with the help of trigger, this is going to be support. So I'll just go and check it with the 3D, you can able to understand more. Just click tick mark here, you can see it is coming. It has been drawn. If you go in 3D, you can see this staircase will come like this. Okay, now you can see with the help of sticker, here it is giving the support. Again landing here, from here to here 11 steps landing, again it is going up. Again it is going up. Okay, so this is the way we can able to make it the model of staircase. So automatically no need to make any hand sketch, because here all these drawn components has been given. If you want to change the railing, because the railing automatically it will become, if you want to make it delete, you can delete it, no issue. But afterwards if you want to place again we can able to place this one. So this is what the assembled staircase we can able to draw by this thing. Okay, clear? So here this type of a staircase also we will use in the project. But some of the staircase also you can able to see here the riser will be not come. Riser will be not there, because some wooden staircase, some iron also you can able to see there will be no riser. So if you want to change the riser, so I don't require risers are here. So you just click the staircase, just go with edit type, and here the run type, you just click the run type and you just put a tick off this one, the riser tick off. If you put tick off here, the riser will be not come. If you put tick off thread, the thread also will be not come. If you put only the riser tick and thread off, the only riser will be visible, thread will be not there. Like that here the option is given. So you just go with this option and just click here. You can see only the thread will be there. There is no riser. So this type of steps also, some of the project you can able to see. Some of the buildings, the roof floor, they will keep this type of steps also. And these steps moreover you will see in wooden or iron also. And after completion of this, if you want to put some material, the wooden material, wooden color, that is also possible, we can do it. You just click it, go with edit type, and here again the run type you have to click, and you just go the thread material. You just click the material here. If you click the material here, what type of material you require, you can place it. If you require wooden material, you just select here wood. Just type the wood, it will become the wooden material. There are the number of wooden materials will be there. So which wooden material you require, you just click it and just go with OK. That material has been applied. And you can check your model also, the same material will be visible. You can see. So exactly what type of material you are going to apply for this threads, that material will become here. Even the landing also will become the same material, because landing is also acting as an one steps, but we are not counting in this way. The landing also will be acting one step, because here we are taking some rest, again we are going up. So from here to here we are getting, and from here to here again we are getting to next one. Like that we can able to change the material also. If you require riser again, so you can go again here and just go run type width, click it and just tick off this, tick in just up, and go with here. You can see the riser will become. But riser, there are no material. If you want to put some material, again you have to go edit type, again run type width, and now you can give the riser material here. You just click this box, automatically the material palette will become. In that palette, which type of material you require, you just click it, the riser. If you require the same material, you can put same material. If you require different material, you can put different material. So now you can see that even the riser and threads both will be having the same material. Got it? So this we will can do it here in staircase. Even the sticker material also you can able to give it. Okay, this sticker material also if you require, that also you can able to give it. So by this way we can able to draw the staircase. This is assembled. Clear? This is assembled staircase. But come to the monolithic, that is different, because the staircase will be look like that, but assembled and monolithic there will be a difference will be there. Okay, so again you just go staircase and click here. I require monolithic, means you have to go monolithic. So if you click the monolithic, everything will be same, but you can see here, if you are going monolithic here, the number of steps is coming 23. One steps has added, because here the ridge slab will become. So for the ridge slab, here the riser height and the thread depth is automatically going to be changed. So you have to go edit type and you have to make it duplicate, and you can change here directly also. If you say, sir, I required exactly the same 22 steps, so we can change here directly the value, or else you can go and put exactly 22. So exactly 22 if you require the same riser height for the assembled, how much we have taken, the same riser height will become. But here you can see the thread depth is changing, because before it was 250, now for the monolithic it is coming 280. But if you require 250, you can able to put 250 also, no issue. And you just click with OK here. So now same exactly as assembled it is going to be created. Okay, so this we have to change here. And edit type also, if you go here, here also the run type, width, everything it's going to be. And here the landing thickness also will become the landing concrete, because it will become concrete, but that landing is wooden landing, or some iron landing, the fiber material, PVC, like that it will be. But right now we are working with total RCC, so here run type depth means that is the run type depth of the riser and threads, everything will become. Okay, so this you can able to see here by using the monolithic. Okay, just go here and click here. Now it just created. So first click, how many risers we required? 22 means 11. This side 11, and just click here again, this side 11. So 11 plus 11, 22. If you want to make it change, you can change with the help of arrow button. And just go with OK. Now you can see here the riser and threads is going to be created here. And if you go in 3D, you can able to see. This is the monolithic. Now you can see here everything is in concrete. Everything you can see in concrete. And here below, if you go backside, you can see there is a ridge slab is there. This is the slab will become. So moreover the project, you can see this type of the RCC slab is going to, and this is the thickness of the landing. This is the landing area, and this is again the top area. So like that, each and every steps we can able to make it the model. This just click it and you can see. So here with the help of sticker only it is going to giving the support, but here with the help of this ridge slab only it is going to give the support of the steps, staircase. Clear? So this type of a staircase we will call as a monolithic. Got it? So this is the riser, this is the thread, riser thread, like that it's going to take. And this is the thickness of the slab, ridge slab. So this thickness, if you want to make it change, that is also you can able to change. This 150 mm depth is nothing but ring type depth is nothing but 150 mm the thickness of the slab, of the ridge slab of the staircase, that will become here 150 mm. If you want to change the landing thickness, that is also possible. You just go here and change the landing thickness, which thickness you require, make it duplicate and just give it here. It will become. Okay, if you want to change the thickness of the ridge slab, that is also possible. You just go here, you just make it duplicate and change the thickness. That will become. Okay, so each and every staircase you can able to do this type of changes in a project. So this is monolithic. Now come to the precast. Precast also you just check it, architecture, steps, and you just go here precast. If you click precast again, here also you can see 23 risers are coming, but we require 22. You just put 22 and here 250. You just go up to 250 and just make it OK and draw it. So here 11, exactly 11, just 11 you just create it here, again here 11. So this will become precast. Just go with OK. Now you can see the precast has been done. So precast also will be look as same as monolithic. It is also will be the same, but it is precasting. But here this was directly. So you can see the difference will be there. You can see here this is precasting. There will be having the difference here. Here there will be no difference. It is going to exactly touching, and it is going to take the depth and height both. but here the landing thickness is going to giving some difference. Here also when it is going to touch, here also it is giving some difference. This was different and this was different, you can see. Okay, so this is the way the precast and monolithic both we can able to draw in this project. Okay, so wherever you require assembled, you can go with assembled. Wherever you require monolithic, you can go with monolithic. Wherever you require precast, you can go with precast. So like that, the staircase we can able to draw. So this is a run type. Now if you want to make it some arc type of staircase, that is also possible. Just click here, stairs, and just I am making some monolithic arc type of stairs. That is also possible. You just go arc, click, and how many it is coming? 23. So you require 22. Just go 22 and 250 is the thread width. Just go with 250. Now draw from where to where you require. Just click it, and how much the distance you require, the radius you can make it. If you are making closer radius, so it will become closer. If you are making radius more, so it will be get the arc, it will become like that. So exactly here no need to change anything, because if you make it round also like that, automatically default the 22 rather it will become. But only the closer you require or distance you require, that you have to decide it. If you are making closer, so it will become closer like that. Just click it, automatically it will be created. So from here it is going up, that like as an staircase, you can see some of the buildings they are going to put outside also this type of staircase, or some of the building inside also you can able to check this type of staircase will become. If you go in 3D, you can able to check this type of staircase, because here in arc there is no landing. Directly from here it is coming and it is going directly at the top floor. So from below floor it is going to become. So this type of staircase we will call as the arc. It will be look as a arc curve. And here also the landing will become, the railing will become. So this type of staircase we will call as the arc staircase. So in arc also we can able to change directly here assembled also. If you say, sir, I want to change this arc into assembled monolith, so you can change monolithic to assembled. It will become. If you change precast also, it will be possible. You can change. It will become precast also. So which type of staircase you require, once you have drawn, then you can change any type of staircase which you require as per the requirement of the project. Got it? So like that, this is the arc staircase. If you go again stairs, and if you are going to put some L shape, just click. So automatically here how many steps are coming? 23. So you just require 22, you just put 22 here directly, 250, it will become. So exactly how many it is required, you can place it, it will be great. Here in L shape also there will be a no landing. Directly steps will become. Number of risers and number of threads, exactly how many you are showing, it will become. Now you can see L shape. Just remove the railing, you can able to understand. This is L shape. From here to here, that's all. There is no landing. So this type of staircase also we can able to draw. And one more, it is there U shape. Architecture, stairs, and if you go here U shape, you can see the U shape staircase also will become. Here also you have to put 22 and 250. Because once you follow the same, you just go with the same also. You can change also, no issue. But as per the requirement, your floor, how many steps you require, you can able to place it. Because the riser height and depth of the thread, means width of the thread, you can able to check it. This is U shape. How it is coming? From here it is going up again. From here if you are going to move, you can see again here some steps, and again it is going top. Like that. This we will call U shape. This we will call L shape. This is L. This is U. It is coming like that again. This shape. So the U shape and the straight both are same, but here in straight we are placing some landing, but here there is no landing. In landing place also it is going to add it some steps. Okay, so this way we can able to make it the model of the staircase, and by the project also we can able to draw. Okay, clear? So this is the way of creating the staircase monolithic, assembled and precast. Both we can do. But some of the modification also we can do here. What type of modification? You can just go here, precast or some monolithic. You can do some of the modification. Here we can put some notching. Now it is in sharp angle. Am I right? This is sharp. But you can put some curve notching also here. If you require, you can put some curve notching. That we will call as notch. If you go edit type here, if you go here, this run type. If you are going to put some notching, nosing also you can able. So thread, if you require notching, you just add the thread, and here some of the profile will be there. So which type of profile you require, you just place it, and here the nosing profile also you can able to add it here. If you say, sir, I want to add it, make some 40 radius notching, so it will become 40. If you are going to put some length value, the length also you can able to put. So just place it and check here how the notching will become. These are the notching, you can see. Because exactly it will be not sharp. Above the steps, above the thread, here some notching profile we can able to make. See, this notching profile also you can able to give some material, and that will be look as per the staircase it will become. Because this is concrete. Above the concrete we are going to put some tiles or something, the plastic, everything. So that we will call as a notching. It will become some sharp edge. If you are going to add some length also, it will going to be adding some length also. So this type of modification also you can able to place it. So the thread thickness is 50 mm. So based on that it is coming. If you are going less value, that is also. If you are going to give some 12.5 mm, so it will become 12.5 mm, and if you are going to give some length value here 25 mm, it will become some length value. You can check it here like that. 25 mm is the 25 is coming outside, that will be there, and this thickness I have given 12.5. So this is the 12.5 thickness, and the notching is coming, the length is 12.5 something I given here, so it is coming 12.5. Okay, so these are the modification you can able to check it here, you can do it also. Sorry, this is I given 25 and this is 12. If you are going to put some 5 mm also you can able to put, and this also you can put some 12.5 mm. You can put 10 mm also as per your requirement. But how much you require, you just place it, based on that it is going to change. You can see this is 5 mm, means nothing but that is plastering or tiles, whatever you are going to place it. So it will become like that. If you are going to put some material realistic view, it is going to be visible some realistic view like that. Okay, so even in the riser also we can able to do this one. If you are going to put in the riser also, you just go again same the run type depth, and you can add it here in riser also the same way. Okay, and here also you can able to add the profile. So the same profile you have to design it here, because these are the profile also I will tell you later, because we can able to make the design, how the designs you require, that we will call as a profile design. So that you can able to place it here. Okay, so these are the things you can able to do here in staircase. Now you can see default when I place, so exactly the riser also will be coming the same. So here below there is a concrete, RCC will be there, but here we have placed the riser and thread, both the some nosing profile here, some finishing type we can able to add it. So these are the modification we can do in a project, how the material of nosing you required, how the material of staircase you required, everything you can do. But right now we have work only for monolithic, so only the monolithic staircase is going to be changed, but precast assembled is not going to be changed. Okay, clear? So this is the way we can able to work out for the staircase. Like that you can go and make it in a project. Okay, clear. So now here you can see in the top view it is going to be look like that. You can see in top. It will be look like the same L shape, U shape, everything is going to be. But when it comes to the 3D, you can see this is the view of the staircase. It will be look like that. Okay, clear. So by this way you have to draw the staircase in this. So now you are shown, you have to create the same way. Okay, clear. So now I hope the model creation of the staircase you got some idea on that. Yes, clear? Yes, guys. Process will be there here. Now you can see this is only one staircase, because this staircase I have made the model from ground to first. But now this staircase continuously I require in above floor also. That is also we can able to, but no need to create again, because if the floor height is 4000 in above floor also, then only you have to go that way. But if it is not the same height in the above floor also, that time you should not go that process. Okay, so what the process I will show you. Just click the staircase, and here the option is there, select level. How many floors you require, you just go at a time. Just select levels. After clicking the select levels, now you can see these two levels already in dummy color. Dummy means it's in height mode. Means already this two floor, this ground and first in between already staircase has been designed. Now you require which floor? So I require second floor, second level, control, press third level, fourth, fifth level and sixth level. So how many floors you require? You just select it, the levels here in 3D and just go with OK. So after clicking 3D, the levels, now you can see automatically from below floor to the top floor also, the staircase is going to become automatically. No need to make it again the model, same view, everything, because it will become carbon copy from base level to the top level. So every floor it will become. So each and every staircase also we can able to do this type of continuous staircase. So this all we will call as a multi-story stairs, multi-story stair. You can see the name here. Okay, so what happens sometimes you have made up to 6 levels. So if you say no sir, by mistake I have taken the next level, but I want to remove this one level because the staircase has to stop here, because the 6th floor staircase is coming some other height. So after making the selection also you can edit also. So just click and go connect by disconnect level. You just click this one. And here you have to select disconnect levels. Now not connecting. Connecting means you are adding. Disconnecting means you are removing the stairs. Just go disconnection and select which level you want to disconnect. I want to disconnect level 6. Just click level 6 and just go tick mark here, finish. Now you can see one steps will become below. Now this staircase is only up to 5th floor, not 6th floor. Like that we can add it, we can remove it also. Not only monolithic, all staircases we can able to do. Precast also we can do, even the this assembled also we can able to do, and this L shape, U shape, every stairs we can be able to do by using select level. How many levels you require, you can do this. Okay, so now you just go and practice this staircase, and you just create. Here you can see, here the steps are given. Have you seen? So you just go and make it count here. How many staircases are here also given? Here also one staircase also given, here also, and you can see here also given. So there are 3 staircases has given. You just make it the model, this 3 staircase, and you just show me in a project. Okay, so just sidewise you just do the practice first, then you just go in a project as per the CAD file where they have given the steps here. You can see. So exactly this all stages you have to go and work out for the steps. Clear? So just you do this practice, then the RAM practical I will show you next session. Okay, after taking one theoretical class, then I will show you the RAM practical. So So now you just go and proceed with this staircase practice and create in your project only. Okay, all floors. If it is continuous coming above top, you just go and connect with this top floor also. But every floor I want to check these steps will be going to touch the floor. It should be come and touch it. Again the same. So you just go and count it. If you go in this sectional view also, you will find some of the information will be there in sectional view also, because they have given here, you can see these are the staircase. They have given some of the sectional view. Here also they given, here also they have given, you can see. So in project they have utilized monolithic, not assembled, you can see. So you just go and proceed with the same. Okay, it is going to touch the here, the view it is going to be touched. So this way you have to work out for the steps in project. Okay, so now you just go and